just click got it. Okay, got it. If you see the notification, click got it. Okay. Can you all see the screen, children?
Very nice.
Okay, what about Yauni? Can you see the screen, my dear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so our first chapter is on body systems. Especially, we are going to study about skeletal and muscular system, right?
Right.
Okay, 1 second. Give me a second, children. Mm, Okay. Right. Can you see the screen, children?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Mute your mics. Mute your mics. So this is our first chapter, children, about body systems, right? Especially, we are going into detail about skeletal and muscular systems, right? Before going into skeletal and muscular system, we'll learn what are the body systems available inside a human body, right? You're a human, right? Maharin is a human being, and Yauni is a human being. Your parents are human beings, right? So, what are the systems available inside your body? How is your body working? Okay, you need to understand. Yauni, look at the screen. Okay, don't look here and there, ma. Mute your mic. Okay, so you need to understand about your systems. What is happening really inside your body? Okay, you're eating, you're getting up, you're sleeping, you're running, you're jumping, you're studying. Okay, so how can you do all these activities? So all living things are made up of cells. Each and every living being is made up of cells, children. Like this. When you consider a building,
That.
wait, Yauni, please mute your mic. I'll explain you, dear.
No, I asked you to write it.
No, dear, not now. I'll tell you what to do. First, listen to me. Keep your pencils and books away and listen to me, okay? Right. Don't sleep. Okay. Don't sleep, ma. Sit straight and listen to me. Right. Like this only. Listen to me carefully, children. Imagine imagine a building. Okay. You have seen a building, and you can also consider about your house. How is your house built? How is your house built up, children?
Rock.
Brick.
Brick.
Don't say rocks. Yes, don't say rocks, children. Okay, your house is built with bricks. No? Bricks and stones. Bricks and stones, right? Yes.
and
Mute
wood
your mics.
blocks and
Yeah. Okay. So your houses, all the buildings are made up of bricks. Okay. So how do they build? By keeping the bricks one by one, isn't it? First one brick is kept, cement is applied, another brick is kept on it, cement is applied, another brick is kept on it. Like this, it is built. Okay. And finally, it is built as a house, isn't it? Like that, in the similar way, all living things are built up of cells. Okay, all the cells means like it's similar to the brick. Okay, it's similar to the brick. So cells combine together and form an organism, right? Cells combine together to make up an organism. So cell is the basic unit. Cell is the basic unit, similar to the brick. Okay, so brick is the basic unit to construct the building. Like that, cell is the basic unit to construct the living organism, like you. Understood? So a cell is the smallest unit of life. A cell is the smallest unit of life. So when the cells are combined, only you can make an organism. An organism is constructed with the cells. So a cell is the smallest unit of life. So when I ask you what is the smallest unit of life, it is the cell, right? So when cells combined with each other, when you collect all the cells together, it will form a tissue. A tissue will be formed, right? Not the wiping tissue. Okay, not the wiping tissue. I'm talking about the human tissue, right? We have tissue in our body. Okay, so how is the tissue formed, children? It is formed by the collection of cells. It is formed by the collection of cells. So a collection of the same kind of cells forms a tissue. Understood? So tissues will combine together to form organs. You have some organs inside your body, right? Heart, lungs, liver, stomach, okay, brain. These are the organs inside your body. So how are these organs made up of? These organs are made up of tissues. Okay, these tissues combine together to form the organs, such as your eyes, your stomach, and your heart. Okay, so several organs work together to form body system. Now organs collect together like heart, liver, lungs, stomach, brain. Okay, they all get together and form a body system. Your body is formed, right? Your body system is formed. Your body system is formed, right? Finally, body systems, all the body systems make up an organism. All the body systems make up an organism like you. You are an organism. Okay. So how are you formed? Think, how are you formed? How is Maharan formed? How is Yauni formed? Maharan, please turn on your video. Mute your mic, Yauni. It's noisy, Yauni. Please mute your mic. Okay. So I'll tell again, children. Cells. Cell is the smallest unit of life. Okay. Cell is the smallest unit of life. When you collect all the cells together, it will form tissue. Cells collection of cells will form a tissue. So when all the tissues are combined together, it will form organ. Okay, so when all the organs work together, when all the organs come together, it will form a body system. A system will be formed, right? So when all the body systems are combined together, it will form an organism, right? So when you look at this diagram, you will clearly understand. Now, see this one. This is a cell. This is very small. This is the smallest unit of life. You can zoom it and see, children. If you are using a phone, you can zoom it and see, right? So this is the smallest unit of life, right? Smallest cell. And cells combine together to form a tissue. Here, see, there are so many cells here, no? Here only one cell. Here you can see many cells. You see, many cells are combined together to form a tissue. Understood? So all these tissues combine together to form an organ. This heart is an organ. Okay. So heart is formed by the combination of tissues. Right. So like this, all the organs will combine together to form an organ system. Here, this is a system. Here, system is formed. Can you see the blood vessels going here and there to the hands, to the legs? Okay, this is a system. So all the systems combine together to form an organism. She is an organism, right? You are an organism. This is how you are formed. This is how human beings are formed. This is how living beings are formed. Right. Now look at this. What are the systems you can see here, children? I will tell you, okay? We have, in the first class, I gave you just an introduction about the systems, right? 6 systems. I taught you 6 systems. Again and again, I taught you 6 systems. What is this? This is the respiratory system. This is the respiratory system. Here you have the lungs, okay? So by looking at the lungs, you can say this is the respiratory system. Here you have the bones. You see, you have the bones, you have the skeleton. So this is called skeletal system. Skeletal system, right? Here you have the muscles, right? So these muscles, this system is called muscular system. Muscular system, the system with muscle is called muscular system. And here you have the liver, stomach, okay, large intestine, small intestine. So those parts are there, right? So this is digestive system. When you eat food, the food will enter into your body like this. It will go like this, go into your stomach, and it will be digested here inside this part. Understood? So this is digestive system. Here, this is circulatory system, where your blood is passed throughout your body. Your blood is passed throughout your body by circulatory system. This is the heart. Heart pumps blood throughout the body. You see, blood is pumped to the body parts.
Like bumping, like pushing, like that.
Yes. Okay. Circulatory system. When I talk about this system, circulatory system transports blood around the body. Here, see, blood is transported around the body. That is a main function of circulatory system. Respiratory system. When you look at the respiratory system, it allows exchange of gases in the lungs. When you breathe, what is happening when you breathe? Just breathe and see.
Oxygen.
Yes, you take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay. Right. You take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay. So exchange of gases happening inside the lung. Gases entering, gases coming out. Right. Exchange of gases happening inside the respiratory system. The next one, muscular system. Muscular system is here. This one. right? Works with the bones to help the body to move. So muscular systems, muscles are attached to the bones. Here you get the bones, right? Okay, so muscles are attached to the bones and it helps for the body movement, right? When you move your hand, when you move your face, okay, muscles are helping you to move, right?
Like this from the hand.
Yes. Okay. Next one, digestive system. Digestive system is here, this one. Okay. So breaks down food that it can be used by the body. So when you take your food, it will go like this and it will enter into your stomach. And stomach breaks down your food. You're eating whole amount of food, right? Big pieces of food. So those big pieces of food are reduced into small sizes by the digestive system, and it is digested inside the body. Breaks down of food so that it can be used by the body. The nutrients can be used by the body. Nervous system. Here it is not given. No? Nervous system is not given. Okay, it's okay. So nervous system controls all body functions. Whatever the functions we are doing, it is controlled by nervous system. If you want to look at there, only your brain is telling you to turn your head. Okay, yes, look at there is a noise. I want to look at there. So brain is giving you the information. If you're touching a hot object, immediately you're taking out your hand. If you're touching a hot object, immediately you're taking out your hand. So brain is telling you.
From our hand, we only take up our hand from the hot water.
So mute your mic, dear.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so nervous system is helping you. Nervous system is telling you to take out your hand once you touch the hot object. Okay, Maharan,
Teacher?
are you sleeping?
No.
Okay, right. Skeletal system, right. Protects some organs, supports the body, and gives it shape. Skeletal system, what does it do? It protects the organs, right? Inside the body, you have some. Inside the body, you have some important organs: heart, lungs, stomach. They are very, very soft. Okay, those organs are very soft. So those organs need to be protected. So who is protecting those organs? Skeletal system, right? Skeletal system is protecting the inner organs, supports the body and gives it shape. So you're getting some kind of shape. No? Your body is having a shape, right? Yauni's body is having a shape. Maharan's body is having a shape. Okay, so that shape is given by skeletal system. Understood all these systems, children?
Teacher. Yes.
Now look at this. This is the skeletal system, which provides structure to the body and protects the internal organs. Skeletal system protects the organs and it gives you a shape. Muscular system, it also gives you the support. It allows you to move. Without the muscles, you can't move, children. You will be like a tree. Okay, you will be like a tree if you don't have muscular system. You can't move
Teacher.
because of the muscular system only you are able to move, right? Next one, nervous system. This is the nervous system. Okay, nervous system controls the sensation. If you touch a hot object or if you touch a cold object, if I pinch you, you will start crying. No, if you pinch you will shout. Ah, like that you will shout. No, why? Because you got a sensation. You got a
Ouch. Ouch.
So you got a sensation there, right? So that is nervous system. Nervous system controls your sensation. It controls your movement. It controls all your body activities. Next one, digestive system. This breaks down the food and absorbs the nutrients. Digestive system breaks down the food and absorbs all the nutrients from your food. This is respiratory system. It takes in oxygen and releases waste gases. All the waste gases are released out. But first of all, it takes the necessary oxygen. What is an important oxygen we need, children? Oxygen, right? Sorry, what is the important gas we need, children? Oxygen. So oxygen is taken in and all the waste gases are released out through respiratory system. Next one, circulatory system. Here say the circulatory system. It is mainly controlled by the heart. Heart is the organ which is pumping the blood throughout the body. Blood is pumped throughout the body with the help of heart. So transports oxygen, nutrients and other substances to cells and carries away waste. So this is transportation is within the body is done by circulatory system. Okay, now did you all understand up to now the system, all the systems? Any doubt in this? Maharan?
No.
Yauni? Start. Okay. So was it interesting? Was it interesting? Maharan?
All subjects are interesting.
Okay. Right. We'll make science more interesting by watching this video, right?
Yes.
The systems of the human body.
Can you hear the sound, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Careful, careful, careful. He says, no! Did you know that humans, as most animals, are also made of pieces? Pieces? These pieces are called organs, such as a heart, brain, skin. They each specialize in a concrete job. The heart pumps blood. The brain gives instructions to the other organs. The skin protects our body. The different organs work together, making up systems. Circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, bone system, muscular system. Systems are organized groups of elements that work together. In the human body, systems are groups of organs that perform vital functions, such as breathing, moving, eating, or that as well.
And there are lots of systems like those in the human body.
Yes, humans are made up of different systems. One of them is the bone system, made up by bones. Their job is to give a structure to our body and protect internal organs. Sorry. The bone system works together with the muscular system that allows us to make movements such as walking, running, or moving other organs, such as the lungs that belong to the respiratory system. The function of this system is to obtain oxygen from air, transport it to our blood, and remove carbon dioxide. The digestive system has a similar job. It breaks down the food we eat to obtain the nutrients all the systems need to work properly. Oxygen and nutrients are transported to the blood and the different parts of our body thanks to the circulatory system. But nothing can move without the directions of the nervous system that controls and coordinates all the actions we carry out, sending and receiving signals throughout the entire body. Voluntary actions such as kicking a ball, and involuntary actions such as blinking or breathing. The different organs that make up each system need each other. And the different systems depend on each.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Did you understand the video, Maharan?
Yes.
Okay, was it interesting?
Yes.
Okay, right. Yauni missed it. Yauni has some connection problem, I think. So in that video, they clearly explained in brief about circulatory system, digestive system, muscular system, nervous system, and respiratory system, right? So can you please tell me the systems, all 6 systems, dear?
Okay. Nervous system, respiration system, skeletal system, muscle system.
When you eat, what is the system, right? Okay. All the nutrients are transported through?
Nutrient system.
No, circulatory system. Transportation is happening through circulatory system. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
How do we move it?
Yauni, do you have any connection problem? Yauni?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So yes, we were watching a video, dear. I can play the video for you again. Just watch the video. Okay, it is the summary of the systems inside the human body, right?
Okay.
Just mute your mic and listen. Okay, watch the video. I'll play the video again, Maharan, for Yauni, because Yauni had a connection problem.
The systems of the human body. Careful, careful, careful. Pieces. No! Did you know that humans, as most animals, are also made of pieces? Pieces? These pieces are called organs, such as a heart, brain, Skin. They each specialize in a concrete job. The heart pumps blood. The brain gives instructions to the other organs. The skin protects our body. The different organs work together, making up systems. Circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, bone system, muscular system. Systems are organized groups of elements that work together. In the human body, systems are groups of organs that perform vital functions, such as breathing, moving, eating, or that as well.
And there are lots of systems like those in the human body.
Yes, humans are made up of different systems. One of them is the bone system, made up by bones. Their job is to give a structure to our body and protect internal organs.
Sorry.
The bone system works together with the muscular system that allows us to make movements such as walking, running, or moving other organs, such as the lungs that belong to the respiratory system. The function of this system is to obtain oxygen from air, transport it to our blood, and remove carbon dioxide. The digestive system has a similar job. It breaks down the food we eat to obtain the nutrients all the systems need to work properly. Oxygen and nutrients are transported to the blood and the different parts of our body thanks to the circulatory system. But nothing can move without the directions of the nervous system that controls and coordinates all the actions we carry out, sending and receiving signals throughout the entire body. Voluntary actions such as kicking a ball, and involuntary actions such as blinking or breathing. The different organs that make up each system need each other. And the different systems depend on each other to keep us alive.
And if a system does not work well,
Not necessarily. When a system fails, it affects our other systems, and in general, we get sick. Fortunately, we also have systems in charge of repairs and our defenses. But we need to take care of our health to help them do their job. I'm sure you know simple ways to take care of your body. The human body is a fascinating machine that should last our entire life.
got it. The organs of the human body work in teams called systems that keep you alive. And all these systems make up the most amazing system of all, you. Oops.
Okay, children. Yes, that was fun. Huh? So I'll be sending the notes what we have studied today, children. Can you all hear me? Yes.
Yes,
I will. Okay, I will send you the notes that we have studied. You need to copy down the notes in your writing book nicely and neatly. After that, I will be also sending you the questions on what we have studied. You need to answer those questions and send me, right? First, you have to write down the notes. Then you have to answer the questions. I will be sending the questions in WhatsApp group. You have to answer those questions and send me. Understood?
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now you can leave the meeting, children. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher. See you, teacher. Bye.